I'm Lance, the install guy. Today on Enhance Your Ride, we're talking about roll-up bed covers and camper tops. Recently, I did a video on other types of bed covers, but if you want to watch that, click right here. When it comes to roll-up bed covers, as far as I'm concerned, there's one name, Retracts. They offer the low-profile look, the high security that today's truck owner wants. That's probably why they're so popular. What I like best about Retracts is the fact that they roll up into their canister, keeps them clean, keeps all the rollers clean, basically preventing maintenance, and the fact that you roll it up, it's out of the way, there's nothing that you got to take off. With Retracts, you got a couple options, manual roll-up or power roll-up. Appearance-wise, they look exactly the same. The only difference is, anything with a motor requires a little bit of maintenance. Retracts is a great security cover. By the time it's broken into, someone's gonna notice. I mean, what do you want me to say? It takes a long time. No matter which one you choose, Retracts has got you covered. Now we're switching gears in the cover world, and we're gonna talk about camper tops. Camper tops are the OG in the bed cover world. Camper tops aren't what they used to be, ugly. Now they're sealed and carpeted so they're warmer, they're lighted, and they're just an extension of your cab. The fact that you can throw your camping gear in the back and your dogs or your kids when they're bad. That's what I like about them. Not only can you put your camping gear in it, but you can do what I want to do with it. Put like 15 subwoofers in it. Could you imagine a camper top full of speakers? It'd be like speaker on top of speaker. It's just make your hair stand up. As you can see, camper tops are extremely versatile. They're only limited by what you want to do with them. If a Retrax or a camper top is something you've been thinking about, come see me, Lance, at Tow Trucking. We got you covered.